Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The 16th pilgrimage to the shrine of Laura Vicuna took place on 2nd September at Cerro Colorado in the municipality of Renca to commemorate the 35th anniversary of her beatification. With the motto, "Where there is life, I find you," young people, families and pilgrims belonging to the FMA educational communities, the Salesian youth movement, the municipality of Renca and various church groups came to the shrine of Blessed Laura Vicuna to renew the invitation to live the holiness of youth, ask for her intercession, as well as to share a festive space with Sister Phyllis Neves, FMA visitor. The concluding Eucharist of the pilgrimage was celebrated by Cardinal Celestino Osh, Archbishop of Santiago, and concelebrated by the Salesian Provincial of Chile, Father Carlo Lira. During his homily, Cardinal Osh referred to Laura Vicuna's life, fate and legacy. There was much pain in Laura's life, but she was able to transform pain into love. She was a good student, a positive leader, and offers us an impressive testimony that moves and challenges us. She tells us that one can love in prayer. She felt loved by God. "Here we make holiness consist in being very cheerful," said Saint Dominic Savio, one of the first fruits of holiness that blossomed from Don Bosco, a dictate that Salesian family made its own and manifested clearly in the climate of serene and joyful conviviality with which it gathered in the mother house of Baldoco on the afternoon of Wednesday, 6 September, for the opening of the third seminar for the promotion of the causes of beatification and canonization of the Salesian family. The seminar began with the votive Mass of the Holy Spirit, celebrated in the Church of St. Francis de Sales by the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, and concelebrated by the Postulator General of the Causes of Saints of the Salesian family, Father Pierluigi Cameroni, and the Rector's Major's Delegate for the Secretariat of the Salesian family, Father Juan Luis Playa. The Rector Major illustrated some of the characteristics of holiness that was seen in the Church, the protagonism of the Holy Spirit, the flowering of humanity that the same Spirit generates, the harmoniousness and completeness in the lives of the saints, in which God's action has shaped every aspect and dimension, and the spirit of communion. On 5th September, during Vespers presided over by the General Councillor for Formation, Father Ivo Cielho, the new UPS Superior, Father Jose Anibal Milhias Pinto Mendonca, former Provincial of Portugal, was installed in the Mary Seat of Wisdom, Vice Province UPS, in the Chapel of the Jesu Maestro community. Present were Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morcunde, General Councillor for Youth Ministry, Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Councillor for the Mediterranean region, Father Stefano Aspetati, ICC Provincial, Sister Maria del Rosario Garcia Ribas, Vicar of the FMA Mother General, accompanied by the two superiors, Sister Carla Castellino and Sister Antonella Cangiano, and all the communities of the UPS Vice Province. Also present were the HHSSCC and the elderly and informed Salesians they care for, as well as various other representatives of the Salesian communities in Rome. As part of the preparation for the 150th anniversary of the first missionary expedition, which will take place in 2025, the Salesian Mission Sector has launched a competition for the creation of a logo to be used for all the initiatives that will take place in this regard. The delivery of the project was extended until 11th November, the day on which, in 1875, the first group of missionaries left, a departure that is repeated every year and that has allowed the Salesian charism to expand throughout the world. In fact, we are preparing for the 154th Salesian Missionary Expedition, with the new missionaries who will receive the Missionary Cross at the hands of the Rector Major in Valdoco on 24th September. The educative pastoral communities of the Southern Italy Province IMA took part from 1st to 3rd September in the Youth Pastoral Conference held in the Roman setting of the Sacrofano Fraterna Domus. As usual, this appointment marks the beginning of the pastoral year, offering an important opportunity to reflect on those themes around which every Salesian house will be called to define its own local programming. Let it be a great construction site of discernment to stimulate further pastoral workshops in the province. With these words, John Gianpaolo Roma, new superior of the IME province, officially started the work coordinated by the provincial delegate for youth ministry, Don Giuseppe Rasso. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.